Hey guys, welcome back to another story time here in the courtyard of the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Gardens. This week we're going to be reading about something pretty fun. Does anybody know what's happening in about 2 weeks from now? It's going to be Halloween. It's the spookiest night of the year. So today we're going to read about monsters. This book is called Monster Needs a Costume. Let's get started. Monster needs a costume. Ooh, looks like a pretty spooky haunted house. Monster needs a costume for his favorite time of the year. It's nearly Halloween, he roared. The day is almost here. There's Monster and his friend in the window. I said to Monster, "Do you know what kind you'd want to wear? An astronaut? A fireman? A giant Bartlett pear? That's a funny costume." He shook his head. "I want to be a cowboy from the West and rope some desperados with a star upon my chest." He rushed to find his badge and boots, but needed more than that. We made his costume perfect with a 20-gallon hat. Monster was excited, so he wore it every day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But then he changed his mind when he discovered the ballet. What do you think he's going to be now? I know the cowboy outfit was the costume that I chose, but now I'll be a dancer and nimble on my toes. Monster put a tutu on and danced around the kitchen. Pirouette, plie, tendu, back to first position. He kept on dancing day and night until his feet were sore. But then he didn't want to be a dancer anymore. What do you think he's going to be next? Monster took his tutu off and placed it on the drawer. He saw a ninja on TV and changed his mind once more. There's our ninja. Now I'll be a ninja who is stealthy in the night, the sneaky kind that wears a mask and disappears from sight. Monster threw a chateau and some round kicks in the air, and then he tried to vanish, sliding underneath a chair. Like a ninja, he was quiet and pretended to be small. But spotting him was easy, since he's nearly 9 feet tall. Monster got discouraged, and he turned into a grouch. He tossed the ninja costume, and he snuck onto the couch. Aw, poor ninja, or Monster. Not a very good ninja. Just then he dashed into his room. "I know what I can do." And with a toothy grin he said, "I thought of something new." He quietly put his costume on and gave a raunchous roar. He hurtled down the steps and then bounded out the door. From up the street and down the block, Monster was a sight. The dancing cowboy ninja was the costume of the night. Check it out. He's got his 10-gallon hat, his tutu, his leotard, and then he's got his ninja outfit on as well. The end. Thanks for listening, guys. We've got a craft and a little activity for you. So remember, to find the tutorial for both of those, you can head to our Google Classrooms. Go to our website at Keywest.garden/education to find it there. But for our craft today, we'll be making our own monster masks. So you can use this mask on Halloween, and it's pretty easy to make. So all we need is a paper plate, probably some construction paper, some markers that I use to decorate, some scissors to cut it out, and then some tape to attach everything, and a popsicle stick. So what I did with mine, I cut my paper plate in half, and then I decorated the top half. I colored it blue and put some dots on it. I cut out 2 little eye holes right here so that I can peek on through. And then I gave him some teeth or some fangs, some big eyeballs, and then some funny looking antennas with some pipe cleaners. And then of course, taped the popsicle stick on. Remember, head to our Google Classroom to find the tutorial to make that. Alright guys, so for today our activity is going to be a matching activity. We're going to do a little game. So we're going to be matching different monsters. Monsters can be hairy, they can be scaly, they can have horns, they can have 1 eye, or they can have 7 eyes. And they can be all different colors. So let's see which monsters we can find today. So I'm going to flip 2 over, and we're going to see if they're the same monster. So let's start with this guy. We've got a pink monster with 3 eyes. Do you think they match this one? So there's an orange fuzzy monster and our pink monster. Do these match? No, I don't think so. We're going to put them back. Next, I'll try this monster and this monster. Oh, that's our pink guy. But what color is he? He's yellow and he has 1 eye, so these don't match. Let's do one more try. Flip this blue monster with 2 horns. And another blue monster. It looks like we have our match. So you can print out this game for yourself, cut out each of the monsters, shuffle them around, and then you can play a matching game at home. So thanks for joining me, guys, for another story time. I'll see you next week. And happy Halloween.